Having trouble activating your virtual office? No worries, it's done in a few simple steps. Start by setting your password and entering your company details. Don't forget to fill in your industry and legal form, as it will be important later on. Check and confirm your information to continue. In the next step, you have to map out your company structure and its UBOs. Start by filling in the details of the ultimate beneficial owner of the company. If applicable, please also add a parent company with appropriate company information like address, industry, legal form, and company number. If you add a parent company, make sure to include a UBO for that one too, even if it's the same person. Please confirm there are no other shareholders with over 25% interest before you continue. To comply with AML regulations, we just need to ask a few more questions based on the info you've provided. Finally, submit a company extract from your commercial register. After this, we'll move on to ID verification. This step includes a quick ID check for every UBO you've listed. Make sure you have a copy of your ID ready. All set? Scan the QR code and start by selecting your document's issuing country. Then choose the type of ID you want to use, like your driver's license. Take a clear photo of both sides, followed by a quick selfie to confirm your identity. Then upload a proof of address that's no older than 3 months. Nice work! You're all set. Your verification is now in progress. While that's running, you can already let us know how you'd like your mail to be handled. Once everything's confirmed, your virtual office will be ready to use right away.